What's up everybody, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports, and today I'm going to be bringing you a quick overview on this bed rug drop-in mat for the Toyota Tacoma. Now this mat is available in two options. There's one for the 5-foot bed or the 6-foot bed, and these are cut to fit, so once you drop it in, it's actually a really simple install. Essentially, the mat is cut to the bed shape, and all you got to do is go underneath, rub down the bed ribs with a little bit of adhesion promoter, then lay your Velcro strip down underneath that. That's going to adhere to it, and then there's some Velcro sewed into the mat itself on the bottom that's going to bond, so that way when you stick it in, it stays down and it's not going to get blown up with the wind or lift out of the truck as you're driving. Then in the corners, you'll see that there's some cutouts here as well where you can roll your little tie downs through. That gives you the ability to still lash down cargo without having to peel the bed mat up or take it out in order to just strap something down. Now the mat itself is basically about a 1/2 inch thick of foam underneath with sort of a carpeted texture across the top. And while you might initially be thinking, that doesn't seem very practical for a truck bed, it's actually a lot more durable than you'd expect. The carpet texture that's on it is designed to be UV resistant as well as weatherproof, and this doesn't really soak up water, so if you leave it outside and it rains while your truck's open, you're not gonna have any issues with this soaking up like a sponge or filling your truck bed with water or getting mildewy. It actually cleans out very nicely. The mat can be cleaned out by either vacuuming it, hitting it with a hose, or blowing it off with an air compressor, and once it's clean, then you don't have to worry about it. So if you do use it to haul lumber or firewood or anything like that, it's not going to affect the truck and you're not going to have to throw the mat away and get a new one. Now where this mat really shines is for those of you that are going to be using your truck a lot for camping and maybe want something that's going to keep your gear from sliding around on these composite beds, or if you just want to use it to haul groceries or maybe some nice furniture that you don't want getting marked up, this is going to be the way to do it. One other thing that's worth noting is if you want something like the bed rug but you're not into the carpet texture on the top, they do have an alternate version called their impact mat, which is a rubberized texture across the top with the foam backing underneath, so you still get that cushion with something that has a little bit more grip to it. We do have a video on that as well if you want to check out the overview for the impact mat. But as always, thank you guys for watching, and if you want to take a look at one of these bed rugs for your truck, head down in the description below, click those links, it'll shoot you over to our website, and I'll see you guys next time.